Lovable versus Bolt.new. Let's start with Lovable. Lovable is an AI-first developer environment focused on helping you code faster using AI agents. It is in a clean, fast workspace. It's designed to feel like a supercharged IDE that learns how you work and helps you debug, build features, and generate full functions or files with prompts. Bolt New, on the other hand, is a newer AI coding assistant that acts more like a pair programmer. It's focused on helping developers build apps, fix bugs, and understand unfamiliar code bases through natural language prompts and tight IDE integration, especially for web dev. So let's talk about their pros. Lovable offers a beautiful, distraction-free workspace. It also has an AI agent that can write and explain code across whole projects. It also has a built-in terminal and file system. It's great for rapid prototyping and personal projects, and it supports the full stack workflows. So as you can see here, it has a lot of websites that it has created already, and you can use them for your want and needs. And next we have is Bolt. So Bolt offers a real-time debugging and test writing help. It also has an intuitive for front-end and full-stack web apps platform. It also offers a lightweight, fast, and runs well in browsers. And it has a smart onboarding for unfamiliar repos. So we can try actually here. If you want to create a website directly, just type a prompt. So choose Lovable if you want a clean AI native IDE with a smart assistant for full project flow. And then pick Bolt or use Bolt if you want a new, fast AI sidekick that excels at code comprehension, quick fixes, and working with unfamiliar repos.